Hi everyone and welcome to my kitchen. In the summer I love eating salads because they are so refreshing and so easy to make them. So one of my favorite fruit is watermelon, and I'm Greek so I'm always eating watermelon with feta cheese, but I also love eating watermelon with a lime juice. So in this recipe I will combine all these nice flavors together and you're gonna love it. So all we're gonna need is of course watermelon, and always look for the one with a yellow spot because it's sweeter, feta cheese, lime juice, mint, extra virgin olive oil, and it's optional but I love spicy food so I will add chili. So it's a twist with a spicy flavor but it's up to you. So let's get started! Wow, perfect! By doing this, the mint is releasing more aroma and it's so intense and I love it. It smells divine. Last but not least, extra virgin olive oil. Ready. Love it. So you guys, that's it for today's video. This salad is so refreshing and so easy to make it. I love the combination of the watermelon, feta cheese and lime. If your watermelon is not that sweet, you can add a little bit of honey. Thank you for watching. Share it with your friends and family. Write me in the comments if you remake it. Subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Ciao!